If you move home or change your broadband supplier, you will need to reconnect your Echo Dot to your new Wi-Fi. So in this video, I will show you how to connect your Echo Dot Generation 3 to your new Wi-Fi network. So let's get started. The first step is to go to your Play Store on Android phones or tablets or App Store on iOS such as iPhone and install Amazon Alexa app if you haven't already installed it. Then you go to open Amazon Alexa app and sign in or register yourself for the first time. Touch on more and then scroll down and select settings. Select device settings. If your Echo Dot is offline, in order to reconnect it to Wi-Fi, simply select it. Now simply touch on continue. If your Echo Dot is already connected to Wi-Fi, you still can select it to change its Wi-Fi. Now if you scroll down, you should see a place called status. Select it and here you should see under wireless your Wi-Fi network. Now simply touch on change. As the message says on the screen, we need to hold the action button for 15 seconds until you see orange lights. And your Echo Dot should say,
"Now in setup mode. Please follow the instructions in your Alexa app."
If instead you get this message,
"Setup mode is off. Just a moment while this device reconnects."
then you need to unplug Echo Dot from power and then plug it back in. Wait for Echo Dot to completely turn on and then try to hold the action button for 15 seconds again, and this time it should work. Now that we are in the setup mode and Echo Dot's orange light is on, we need to touch on continue. To make the setup easier, we need to allow the location by touching on yes. And then make sure your device location is on. On Android, just scroll down from the top of your phone and touch on the location icon to turn it on. We also would need to turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. So again, scroll down from the top of the screen and turn on the Bluetooth as well. And finally, make sure Echo Dot's orange ring is still on. If it is, then touch on yes. And then Amazon Alexa app would start searching for your Echo Dot. Then you should see your Echo Dot under available devices. So select it and then Amazon Alexa app would start searching for your Wi-Fi. Once again, make sure your Echo Dot is close to your phone. This is important and the orange light is still on. Then after some time, it will find all the available networks. So select the network that you want to connect. Just before entering your Wi-Fi's network's password, be aware that behind this keyboard, there is an option by Amazon to save your Wi-Fi's network's password. I personally don't like to save my Wi-Fi's password to my Amazon account. That's why I uncheck it. And then simply enter your Wi-Fi's network's password and touch on continue. After some time, your Echo Dot should connect to your Wi-Fi and you should get this message.
"Your Echo is ready."
Then you would get a message saying your Echo Dot is now connected. And then you might have to choose a language, select where your Echo Dot located in your house, or you could simply skip this. Then it would ask you to give a consent to set up voice ID, which you also can skip. So I touch on skip and say yes, skip. And also it might ask you for your address. You don't have to provide your exact location. You could easily press on skip and continue. And it might advertise some services which you could decline, and then you don't need to create a profile. You could simply touch on let's go and you're done. Alexa, how are you?
"I'm feeling quite cultured. Just ask me to sing Gilbert and Sullivan."
If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. Also, you could watch my other videos on the screen.